The Mace brand personal alarm keychain is a unique personal safety device that is easy to operate and suitable for all ages. This video will demonstrate how to operate the personal alarm keychain and show its features to teach you how to best incorporate the personal alarm keychain into your lifestyle. In order to operate the personal alarm keychain, you will need to remove the plastic tab found on the back of the alarm. The white button found on the front of the alarm above the logo activates the alarm. Do not confuse the speaker port for the activation button. The only way to stop the 130 decibel alarm is by pressing the button found on the back of the device. Each personal alarm keychain also comes with an emergency whistle. Finally, the keychain and bag clip feature on the personal alarm keychain allows anyone to take it anywhere. Students can have protection on the go and at the ready, whether you are a college student or just starting out. There are no age restrictions with personal alarms. The functionality and convenience of a personal alarm is appropriate for anyone. Use the key ring to attach your house, work, or gym keys, and use the clip to attach your vehicle keys in the event you need to swap vehicles. The personal alarm is available in many colors. Pick out your favorite and start enhancing your personal safety today.